Hi, this is a CPQ introductory video. So first of all, when you log into your Salesforce environment, you see this screen on your uh, laptop or device. If you are not, if this is not visible, just go to here and type Salesforce CPQ, and it will appear here. So the first thing which I have to discuss is about accounts. Accounts are basically, the companies which you are working for, or the companies you are doing business with. So, if we want to create a company or company details or business details, we create account here. So, for example, if I am going to this account, this is basic information, right? Account owner, account name, and its personal information. So if we go to related, there are other things like contacts, opportunities, quotes, contracts, orders, each and everything you can monitor with accounts tab. So next thing is to I have to discuss is to contacts. So the contacts are the persons which works in those companies which are which you are working for. For example, our client is this textile group, and in this textile group company, there are many employees. So if we want to, enter its employees data, we will go to related list, and here contacts. We will create a new contact here. So basically, the main purpose of create contacts is that we will contact the right person in the company which we are working for. So the next thing is opportunities. You can see here as well, and you can see the separate tab as well. So the opportunities are the potential customers or potential deals for for your business. So for example, these are all opportunities related to this particular company. And if we are going back to, I can say, this business account or this person. If I go to related list, there are opportunities like net netbooks for remote learners, security system for main office. These are basically opportunities. When I click on one opportunity, its information here is opportunity name, close date is mandatory, amount, expected revenue. You can feel, uh, you can enter any type of information here, and don't worry if you are seeing lot of information. We will handle it. If something is not needed in our requirement, we will just remove from the uh, front end. So these are the opportunities, and in opportunities there will we can see that codes, products, code documents, etc. Now we can create codes for this particular opportunity and send it to so that it will accept or decline, or you can further negotiate with them. So just to create, go to quotes. So basically here is only one quote. If I am clicking on the quote, it will lead me to the quotes tab as well. So here is a quote, for example, quote number. It is auto generated, and this let's start with another quote. So I am going back to opportunity. Let's say go to our accounts tab. Let's say this is the company, or this is the person we are working for. So we just fill basic information and then go to related. And for this opportunity, security system for main office, we will create a new quote. For example, its amount is $820, expected revenue this, close date this, okay, and what is the stage of the, so now go to quotes, create new quote. Here we can see we can choose the opportunities means your potential uh, customers or your potential uh, business. For example, I select this opportunity, account, for example this, contact, we don't need for contact, type code, status draft, and just click on save. So here is another button, primary code means the latest one, and which is uh, the order will generate on the basis of this code. So we can send many codes and to the customer, and agree, a customer definitely agrees on one code. So which code that a customer agrees, we will check it as primary code. So save. So here is our code is created. Now we have to add items in it. So as you can see, there is no quote line items, or so we have to create new quote line items. So here you can see these are the quote line items, and so just create a brand new account so that all areas are covered. So we are creating a new company for which we are doing, for whom which we are doing business, or which is our client, you can say. So I am naming it, for example, it's our dog food customer. So the A red static mean these fields are required, so we have to fill the values, and all other are optional. You can fill or ignore. So I am just I put just account name, and for example I am giving it address. You can fill the data as much as you can. So we are just creating for our test, so we don't need such much data. So here is our account is created. Account means our company is created. So if I can say dog food customer is our company or customer. Now this details tab have all the details about this particular customer or company, and if we go to related, these are the related lists. So here are related lists are also shown, and here is also a related list. So we can either go with here or go with here, so it's up to you. Now create a contact. It's optional. If you are dealing with a big company and you want and it has many employees which you want to do do business, or you want to contact, then you will create a contact. So just for example I am clicking on new. It will auto populate the account name, and the first name we can see that. You can fill the information as well and just click on save. So our account is created, our contact is created. Next is to create opportunity. Opportunity mean this particular company or customer, which business you are doing with. For example, you are dealing with pet food, you are dealing with uh, birds food, etc. So this basically opportunity. So we can create our new opportunity. Opportunity means what kind of business you are uh, dealing with your company. So if I can say that it's pet food. Close date is mandatory, so we have to fill it. Okay, amount for example I am saying it $500. Stage is also mandatory. So for first is prospecting. Prospecting mean it is in initial stage. So if our deal is done, then we will change the status to closed one. Closed one mean deal is matured and our business is started with that company. So for now, just I'm prospecting, then just create it. So our opportunity is also created. Now we can create code either on opportunity level or either on account level. So I am just giving some break. So our next step is to add the products to this opportunity. So I am going to this opportunity. Okay, here we will add the products which we want to create quote. So we are going to just a sec. So our next step is to send a quote to the customer so that he will agree or disagree. So we can create a new quote from here or from here as well. So it's our choice. So I am going with this new quote. So let me create it as a primary quote. So start date from today to end date from today. Subscription team we don't need, so just save. So it will create a quote for us. We can go here with here. So I am clicking on a quote. So it's our code number. It's primary mean from multiple codes this code order will be generated for this code. So this is the information. Now next step is to add the items or products in the code so we can send it to our customer. So I am going to edit lines. So here is our start date, first day, end date for our quote, and we can give the additional discount as well. For now, our main purpose is to add products. So products means which services we are selling or which products or what is our business. In our case, pets related items or services. So I am going to add product. Here it will show all the list of products which we deliver or which we offer. So I am this is basically dummy data. So for our personal use we will create according to our requirements, so don't worry. So I am just clicking on the 10 kWh battery or three items. Select. So here is quantity. I can say it's 4. It will be 10 and it will be 13 and it will be 1. Okay, so it's basically product code. This is auto pickup and You can see the lock here, so we don't we can't edit it. So next thing is product name, the product which we sell, or which the our main items or business. Next is product description. Next, unit price. Okay, unit price is basically comes from the products. So we have another tab, products, in which we have defined all our products which we are selling or which we are dealing with. So we will create our products here and set our prices. So save. Okay, apply rules and save. You can save directly, save here also. So these are the products. We have 3 products which we want to send, so we will give it 5% extra additional discount and save. We can calculate as well, but for now we are just saving it. So here you can see the quote line items. So for this particular quote number, for this particular customer, and for this opportunity, we have these line items. So we can send it to the customer, and if he agrees on this these items with this price, then our next step is to uh, generate order will start. For now we just preview document. It will preview. Hold a second. So our main code will look like this: product name, its unit price, and the total amount. Total amount, basically the quantity, it will multiply the unit price with quantity, so that it will calculate the whole amount. And these are terms and conditions. We can customize it with our company name, etc. So this is our preview. Next step is to generate PDF, so we can send it to our customer, potential customer. We can save it and mail also. We can preview, we can just save. So our code PDF has been saved. So our code document is saved. We can view it. So this is our code document. We can customize each and everything here. We will customize according to our company name etc, and this code will be generated. Okay, next step is when the customer agrees the terms and conditions of this code. Next step is we will create our contract, or we will create our order. So I will back to our opportunity. So our code is generated for these products documents. Next step is to create order. So we will just click on create order. We will also go to here as well. So it's up to you. You will prefer from account level, or you will go with opportunity level. It's up to you. So I am creating create order. Create order will basically monitors and keep records all the orders. So it's for account for dog food customer status. I can say activated, start date, end date, contracted, for which code. We say that for this code. Just a minute. So we will just it's our code name. You just need to remember the latest code. It's our 56 billing address. Let's see. So we can't create a contracted order, so we just click on so first initially the order will be in draft mode. Its status will draft. If the code will be accepted from the customer, then we just simply edit and activate it from here or from here. Okay, it will say that you don't have any products, so add products. You can say that these two items we want to generate order. Quantity 4 6. So these are two products, and we will activate activate. So our order is generated, and next step is to create contract and etc. But till now we will stick with this. So it is whole scenario. uh, in first attempt it should be complicated for you, but when you are familiar with the platform, or with when you are familiar with the terms, then it will be easy for you and your business. So I will wrap up everything. So we have one opportunity for this account, one code we have sent to this particular opportunity for this company. We have then orders, order list. If so, that's all for now.